Hey everyone, welcome back to our van build series. Today we're going to talk about the Kilmat installation.
Pretty straightforward installation. Not a whole lot to say. I think things to note is to make sure you kind of prep and clean everything. We did isopropyl, how you say it?
Isopropyl alcohol.
Isopropyl?
Yeah.
I was saying isopropyl.
Say alcohol.
Yeah. Clean everything with some alcohol and a rag. We also had a little roller just to kind of help adhere the Kilmat to the sheet metal of the van. You really just kind of just go ham. A lot of people do it differently. A lot of people Kilmat this and not this or whatever, but this is how we did it. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
But before you go, please make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please comment it below. Again, we'll link everything in the description. All right, enjoy.
Peace.
Kilmat.